Nearly half of the world's population lives within 150 kilometers of a coastline, and if your home is near an ocean, you might take note. Seas are rising, increasing an average of 8 centimeters since 1992, and putting the world on a trajectory for a rise of a couple of meters down the road. But you won't see the same increase everywhere. When you fill up a sink, the water actually rises at the same rate throughout the sink. But water moves differently on the Earth. It's reacting to tides, winds, currents, and shifts in tectonic plates. This newly released NASA animation shows 23 years of sea levels. See those blue spots on the U.S. West Coast? They indicate that seas are lower and cooler. Now look at China's coast. Those red spots indicate warmer, rising seas. And in China's Yellow River Delta, where land is also sinking, NASA scientists say sea levels here are rising more than 25 centimeters a year. In all, more than 50 million Chinese would be exposed to flooding by the end of the century, according to a Climate Central analysis. That's because scientists say a warming planet is melting ice sheets in Antarctica and Greenland, and melting mountain glaciers too. The rest, say NASA scientists, is due to the impact of that warmth on the water itself, causing it to expand. Which brings us back to this animation. NASA scientists say the satellites that help them track past patterns of sea level change will also help forecast future patterns. Right now, they predict that over the next 10 years, as sea levels rise overall, the U.S. West Coast will now see a greater impact than China's East Coast. Jessica Stone, CCTV, Washington.